Hi, boys and girls. Okay, so if you are done doing the gradient on your name, where you did the change gradually from one color to another, and you have stamped your wall, so you should have the paint stamping on your wall. If you've done both of those things and you have a little extra time, some of you might, yeah, or if you're waiting to stamp your wall, on the plain part of your paper here that we're going to throw away, if you want to create some symbols to add to your wall, you could do that. So I made like a happy little cloud over here. Anything would be fine. You could do a speech bubble and just put anything you want in it. Mrs. Walker has these that you can use if you just can't think of anything creative and you just want to put something on there. You could use one of those. So just think of things that you love, like I love butterflies, so a butterfly might be a good choice for me. And Mrs. Walker was trying to think of other things. Obviously, I love coffee, so I put some coffee on there. I have a paint sploosh because I love to paint. I could probably put a paint brush too, couldn't I? If I wanted to even go further with that, or a palette, a paint palette. But I just thought this gave it like emphasis. If you do a speech bubble, just write something in it that means something to you. And once you have these done, then you can just cut them out and add them to your wall. Okay, because you know you can even color them. Like you notice I colored some of those. So if you want to make yours colorful, you can do anything you want. I probably should put some purple in this guy, right? Because I love purple, but I also love pink too. It's hard when you love all the colors, right? Anyway, when you're cutting them out, if you did something like this paint sploosh, you can just kind of bubble cut closely around it. See how I didn't try to go all the way in there and cut those out because that would be too hard. But if you can cut right along the edge, go ahead and do that. Like for his antennas, I probably would just bubble cut around those because they'd be too fragile. All right, have fun.